In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right PicsArt AI Photo Editor app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to install this app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app. You can see mine is here. I'll go ahead and tap on it. Then using this search bar here, go ahead and search for your app by name. Alternatively, if you can't see this bar, go to search icon down here and then search PicsArt just like that, and then search for it. As you can see, the app is here. Tap on it to see the details. Make sure it is from PicsArt niche, and the right name for the app is here, PicsArt AI Photo Editor Video. So this app currently it has a star rating of 4.3 with over 11 million reviews. The file size is averagely 48 MBs, and this app has been downloaded over 1 billion times. So this is the current statistics for this app. To get it on your smartphone, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of PicsArt AI Photo Editor on your smartphone and then install it. Once it has been installed, now you can proceed and open it from here, or you can go back to your apps and you should find it here. Go ahead and tap on it now to open it, and this is the welcoming interface, Google Play Editor's choice. Now you can proceed from here and log in either using your Google account or even sign in with your email. So that's how you can install the right PicsArt AI Photo Editor app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.